Hello students, welcome to Softwares classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. Today we'll be solving question number 19 and question number 20 from the paper. So let's begin with question number 19. In question number 19 it is said that the function x to the power 1 by 3 is differentiable. The options given are differentiable at x equal to 0, continuous at x equal to 0, concave, or none of the above. So what we need to find out that we have been given, let f of x be equal to x to the power 1 by 3. This implies that f of 0 is equal to 0. Now at x equal to 0, left hand limit will be given by limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, which will be given by limit x tends to 0 minus f of x will be given by x to the power 1 by 3. This will be equal to 0. Similarly, right hand limit will be given by limit x tends to 0 plus fx, which will be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x to the power 1 by 3, which is again equal to 0. Therefore, at x equal to 0, right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to f of 0. Therefore, at x equal to 0, f of x equal to x1 by 3 is continuous. So this is what we found out. Now we have to check out for differentiability. For differentiability, we need to find out the value of f dash h. Now f dash h is equal to limit. We need to basically find out f dash 0. F dash 0 we need to find out. So f dash 0 is basically equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 by h minus 0. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h, since f of 0 is 0, so f of h minus 0 is equal to f of h and by h. Now we know that f of h is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of h is equal to h to the power 1 by 3 by h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 upon h to the power 2 by 3, and as h tends to 0, this limit will tend to infinity. Therefore, at x equal to 0, f dash x does not exist. This is the statement that we are getting. So this implies that f of x equal to x to the power 1 by 3 is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So the correct option is option B, that implies that fx is continuous. Fx is continuous at x equal to 0. This is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 18 and 19 from the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. Now we'll move forward to the next question, which is question number 20. So in question number 20, it has been said that the function sine of log of x, where x greater than 0, the options are is increasing, is bounded, and converges to a real number as x tends to infinity, is bounded but does not converge as x tends to infinity, or none of the above. So the function that we have been given is f of x. Let f of x be equal to sine of log of x. Now we know that as, let us draw the graph of log of x. Log of x is somewhat like this. x-axis y-axis, and this is log of x. Okay. Now as x tends to 0, infinity, sorry, we can say that log x also tends to infinity. Okay, but if we take sine of log x, whatever be the value of log x, sine of log x will always be less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to minus 1. This is always the structure. So this means that sine of log of x is oscillatory and bounded, and also convergent to a real number. So as you can see that this implies that option B, where it has been said that the function fx is bounded and converges to a real number as x tends to infinity, is the correct option. So the option B is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 19 and question number 20 from the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.